Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a soft, pliable dough. That's essential. Mix 2 cups rice flour with 1/2 tsp salt and 1 tablespoon oil, then add hot water gradually, knead until smooth. Once done, heat the stainless steel Idiyappam maker and steamer for even cooking. Make sure the maker's disc and press fit snugly. You're doing this so the noodles push through cleanly and won't stick. Now load a golf ball-sized portion into the hopper and close the lid. Ready to press. You press with a steady, even force. Avoid jerks because inconsistent pressure creates clumpy, uneven strings. Hold the maker perpendicular to the plate. Use your whole palm, not just fingertips, so the paste extrudes as smooth strands. Once the plate is filled, slide it into the preheated steamer. Steam at a rolling simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. Make sure to keep the lid closed. Steam humidity sets texture. After steaming, let it rest 1 minute to firm up. Then, gently separate the noodles. You finish by lightly oiling the idiyappam so strands remain separate and glossy. Toss with 1 tsp oil or ghee while still warm. Plate them gently and serve with curry or sweetened coconut. Warm idiyappam absorbs sauces best. If you see broken strands or clumping, the fix is simple. The dough was too dry or too firm. Add 1 teaspoon of hot water, knead briefly, then press a small test portion. This adjustment saves batches without wasting ingredients.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.